Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today I am here on a purpose to instruct you regarding the ethics in environment education examination which is going to be held as an assignment work from home. So let us start. So first you need to prepare separate assignments for both the exam. A separate assignment for ethics and human values and a separate assignment for environmental education. And also the students who have not yet submitted their project works in college, they need to submit by today itself. And let us start your assignment with the first page, that will be a cover page. That is nothing but the front paper which you are going to start your assignment, and you need to prepare the whole assignment of ethics as well as human values on an A4 size white color papers. And your front page shall be comprising of the personal details of the students such as name, father name, the group in which the student is studying, and the subject name. If you are writing the assignment for ethics and human values, write the subject name as ethics and human values. If you are writing an assignment of environment, then you need to write the subject name as environmental education. On both the assignments, you need to attach the cover page in which you must write down the personal details. And the next point you need to write is two contact numbers, the present working contact numbers, then the address. You need to write your present address. And at last, you need to write the landmark, where do you stay. For example, any famous hotel or a restaurant or any temple or any school or any kirana shop, etc. In such a manner, in a very easy way, you just mention the landmark of exactly where do you stay. So the first page, that is the cover page, comprises of the students' personal details, name, father name, group, subject name, then two contact numbers, your address and the landmark. And let us go to the next page, and from here the assignment begins. And you need to draw margins on four sides. While preparing the assignment on each and every page, there must be margins on four sides. Should not use sketches, crayons, color pencils or color pens or any kind of glitter pens. Only the students must make use of black or blue pens or can also use pencils. The underlining of side headings must be done only with pencil. The handwriting of the assignment must be very neat and attractive. As I have said, these marks are going to be added in the long memo. So it must be excellent, very neat and very attractive to see. The next thing, the same handwriting must be there throughout the assignment. From the first page to the last page, there must be the same handwriting on each and every paper. And note, only students should write this assignment, not to be written by anyone else. Then after completion of your assignment, you need to pin up your sheets using a stapler. So let us go to the main assessment part, like how to write the question answers. So first of all, you need to mention the question numbers and section numbers clearly and properly. From which section, which question are you writing or are you attempting? Write it clearly. Then the exam will be for 100 marks. You need to write ethics assignment separately and environment assignment separately. Under ethics, there are 4 sections. You need to attempt any one question from each section. That means in total you need to write 4 question and answers in ethics in about 150 to 200 words each. Then coming to environment, there are 8 sections and you need to attempt any one question from each section. That means in total you need to write 8 question and answers in about 80 words each. So this is the exam or the assignment which you are writing, must be in 150 to 200 words and environment should be of 80 words. You need to attempt any 4, you need to attempt any 8. Then the source or mode of information must be either through the study materials which we have given to the students, or you can make use of internet. So here your assignment for ethics and environment is going to end. The first will be the cover page and next the assignment begins, any 4, any 8. Source could be either internet or you can use of materials, the study materials which you have. And on a separate page, this is very important, please listen it carefully. On a separate page, you need to write your opinion. You need to write your own opinion on every subject faculty whosoever have taught you, and also you need to write about the college. You need to write your opinion like whatever you felt. Honestly, you need to write with respect to the teaching is concerned. Note, only students should write this individually. Why am I stressing on this point? Students should not take the photos of your assignment or whatever the opinion you have written, do not forward it on WhatsApp to your friends. Again and again I am saying, do not disclose anything with respect to your assignment as well as your opinion to anyone. You need to write it individually. My personal suggestion for my students is, do not try to write in extra great superlative words in order to create some good impression in the hearts of your lecturers. Just write it in a simple manner, write about the fact and write it honestly. Only genuine suggestions will be considered. Now coming to the date of submission when you need to submit this assignment. That is, you need to start it by today itself and you need to submit it by tomorrow, that is 3rd April 2021, that is on Saturday. The college timings are from 9 a.m. in morning to 4 p.m. No late submissions will be accepted. I repeat, no late submissions will be accepted. You need to follow the timing strictly. From 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. you need to come and submit your assignment as well as the separate page on which you have written the experience or your own opinion. Then do not believe on any of the rumors until and unless you receive an official message on your college WhatsApp group. Do not believe on any rumors, do not distract to any of the rumors. Just have faith from the side of college management. Any doubts with respect to the assignment, parents or students can message or can clarify your doubts using the college WhatsApp helpline number. And every student must check the WhatsApp every hour or frequently. You need to check it in order to get the clear and appropriate information. Now let me bring this talk to a concluding point. The pre-final 2 and 3 exams are going to be conducted and students mandatory should write the exams. All the students should write all of the exams, otherwise the management is not going to give the board examination hall tickets in any circumstances. So first you need to prepare the assignment cover page and then you need to write ethics and environment separately, 4 sections and 8 sections. And on a separate page, you do not pin this page with this assignment. On a separate page, you need to write your opinion. That's it for today. Hope I was pretty clear in explaining and giving you the information regarding the assessment work from home. I wish all the best to the students for the assessment work from home. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.